Number 1, cute. That baby panda is so cute. Cute. Number 2, cube. Joan put an ice cube in her drink. Cube. Number 3, fumes. Can you smell the fumes from the fire? Fumes. Number 4, music. We listen to music on the radio. Music. Number 5, unit. The class is studying a unit on energy. Unit. Number 6, menu. Martin will order lunch from the menu. Menu. Number 7, few. There are a few birds in the tree. Few. Number 8, pew. The family sits in the church pew. Pew. Number 9, fuel. How much fuel does the car need? Fuel. Number 10, cues. The actor uses cues to learn his lines. Cues. 11, pony. Can I ride the pony, please? Pony. Number 12, queen. The queen sits upon her throne. Queen. Number 13, began. We began dance lessons last week. Began. Number 14, come. Will you please come to my party? Come. Number 15, give. They give presents to their friends.